Welcome back to Tokyo Talk. I'm Mai, and today we're diving deep into how to make okonomiyaki from scratch.
And I'm Jack. After my previous okonomiyaki disaster, I'm ready to redeem myself. Let's start with the fundamentals. What ingredients do we need?
When Jack says redeem, he means to make up for past mistakes. For the batter, you need flour, eggs, and dashi stock. That's the foundation.
What's the ratio for the batter? I tend to eyeball measurements, but that's probably why I failed before.
Eyeball means to estimate without precise measurement. For 2 servings, use 100 grams flour, 1 egg, and 120 milliliters dashi. Precision matters here.
Got it. What about the star ingredient, cabbage? How much and how should I prepare it?
About 200 grams, finely shredded. The key is consistency. Uniform pieces cook evenly. I like to think of it like preparing for a jazz ensemble.
That's a beautiful analogy. When Mai says consistency, she means uniformity. What other ingredients can we incorporate to jazz up the basic recipe?
Nice wordplay with jazz up. Popular additions include pork belly, shrimp, squid, or cheese. Each adds a different flavor profile and texture.
I'm intrigued by the cheese option. Is that traditional, or is it a modding fusion twist?
When Jack says fusion twist, he means a modern combination of different culinary traditions. Cheese okonomiyaki is definitely a contemporary innovation that's become quite popular.
Now for the crucial part, the cooking technique. What's the secret to getting that perfect flip without creating chaos?
First, don't overmix the batter. That creates a tough texture. Mix until just combined, then gently fold in the cabbage and other ingredients.
When you say fold in, that's a specific technique, right? It's gentler than regular stirring.
Exactly. Fold in means to incorporate ingredients using a gentle lifting and turning motion. It preserves air bubbles and prevents the batter from becoming dense.
What temperature should the griddle be? I imagine too hot would scorch the outside while leaving the inside raw.
Great observation. Medium heat is ideal, around 180 degrees Celsius. When Jack says scorch, he means to burn or char the surface.
Now comes the moment of truth, the flip. Any tips for building confidence? I'm still traumatized from my last attempt.
When Jack says moment of truth, he means the critical point where everything is decided. Use 2 wide spatulas, work quickly but confidently, and commit fully to the motion.
2 spatulas, that's genius. I was trying to do it with 1 like a pancake. What about cooking time for each side?
About 4 to 5 minutes per side, but listen to the sizzle. When it becomes gentler, it's usually ready to flip. Cooking is as much about intuition as technique.
That's beautiful. Cooking as intuition. Speaking of which, what's your approach to the sauce layers? There seem to be multiple components.
The classic trinity is okonomiyaki sauce, mayonnaise, and katsuobushi, bonito flakes. Each adds a different dimension of flavor and visual appeal.
When Mai says Trinity, she means a group of 3 important elements. The bonito flakes, dancing in the heat. That's quite mesmerizing, isn't it?
Absolutely. Mesmerizing means captivating or hypnotic. The movement adds life to the dish. Have you ever tried making your own okonomiyaki sauce?
No, I always buy it pre-made. Is homemade sauce significantly better, or is it just for the satisfaction of making everything from scratch?
Both, actually. Homemade sauce lets you control sweetness and tanginess. It's like improvising a solo. You can adjust to your personal taste preferences.
When Mai mentions tanginess, she means a sharp, slightly sour taste. What common mistakes should beginners avoid when making okonomiyaki?
The biggest mistake is impatience. Rushing the cooking process results in uneven texture. Also, overcrowding the pan makes flipping nearly impossible.
Patience, noted. For someone attempting this for a date night, what's your advice for managing nerves and creating a romantic atmosphere?
Oh, speaking from experience, Jack? Practice beforehand, prepare ingredients in advance, and remember, cooking together is about collaboration, not perfection. The process can be more intimate than the result.
Wise words. When Mai says the process can be intimate, she means emotionally close and personal. Maybe I'll finally find someone to share okonomiyaki adventures with.
I'm still searching for my okonomiyaki soulmate too. Someone who appreciates both culinary creativity and jazz improvisation would be perfect. What qualities would you look for, Jack?
Someone who doesn't judge my initial cooking disasters and sees potential for improvement. Plus, a good sense of humor when things go wrong is essential.
Perfect attitude. Let's review key cooking terms. Fold in means to gently incorporate ingredients. Scorch means to burn the surface.
Consistency means uniformity, and mesmerizing means captivating. The key to great okonomiyaki is patience and practice.
Exactly. Remember, everyone, okonomiyaki making is a journey of discovery. Each attempt teaches you something new about technique and about yourself.
Thanks for the detailed guidance, Mai. I feel much more confident about my next okonomiyaki attempt. Until next time, happy cooking, everyone.